Hi friends, good morning. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the three stocks with interesting chart setups to focus on. The first stock that I'm going to discuss is about Apple India. It's a IT enabled services company, and if we talk about the 52-week high, it remains at 1363 and 52-week low remains at 866. This stock has consolidated and now showing signs of bullish pattern, and it can be focused for medium term portfolio. The second stock that I'm going to discuss is about UPL. It's a pesticides and agrochemicals company, and if we talk about the 52-week high, it remains at 807, and if we talk about 52-week low, it remains at 576. On a daily charts, this stock looks bottoming out formation, and it can be focused for medium term portfolio. The third stock that I'm going to discuss is about IEX. It's a exchange and data platform company, and talking about the 52-week high, it remains at 165 and 52-week low remains at 116. This stock on a weekly chart is showing a bullish signs and can be focused for medium term portfolio. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing. If you like our video and if you like our analysis, do hit the like button and do share it to your friends. And also, if you are watching it for the first time, do subscribe our channel for more market insights and more market updates. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care.